If you're planning to visit the new digital museum, make sure to save this tip. Hello everyone, I'm Mommy Crazy and I love to share kid-friendly travel. So ito na nga, finally nakabisita na kami dito sa Space and Time Museum located in S. Mason in Pasay. Look nga pala namin yung ticket namin sa Klook, so don't forget to use our promo code for additional discount. So far, meron ditong 18 attractions or 18 areas na pwede nyo puntahan. Take note that the kids under 2 years old enter free. And it cost us 880 pesos for the adult and 680 pesos for 3 years old to 10 years old. Meron nga din pala sila ditong free lockers. Bawal din kumain at magdala ng inumin sa loob. Meron din pala silang 9D ride which cost you additional 250 pesos if gusto nyo itry. So I highly suggest that you visit the museum during weekday para less crowd. At dahil nga maliit lang yung area, you can finish this activity around 1 to 2 hours. Tapos pwede na kayo mag-MOA. So don't forget to save this